Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset the ribbon in PowerPoint if the home button or other tabs are missing. Let's get started. First, click on the File tab in the top left corner of PowerPoint. This will open a menu. Scroll down and click on Options at the bottom of the menu. In the PowerPoint Options window, look at the list at the left and select Customize Ribbon. This is where you can manage all the tabs on the ribbon. Now, look at the right-hand panel. You'll see a list of tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Draw. Make sure the checkbox next to Home is ticked. If it's unchecked, click the box to enable it. If you're not sure what's wrong or the Home tab still doesn't appear, you can reset everything to default. Click to Reset button at the bottom right corner and choose Reset All Customizations. This will restore the default ribbon layout. Then click on OK to save your changes. Now, the ribbon and home button should be visible in PowerPoint. That's it. Now you can know to reset the ribbon and enable the home button in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.